In a plant there, plant and banana kind of work for 9 months or probably less.
Hi guys, welcome back to Market Bag. This week we're back at Coronation Market and we're hearing that there's a shortage in plantain and banana. Let's find out. So how are the prices looking this week?
Since the storm, the things then come back so pretty. We have a tomato for $100, $60 a pound, carrot $100, cabbage $150. But we don't have any banana, plantain, and papaya. Those things are still scarce because they blow down. So that's why it's scarce, and it don't take like 6 months before it come back. 1 year or 8 months, those are the time.
So we're looking at that period of time before we see any plantain.
Yes.
Okay.
But lick a banana coming back now, and lick a plantain coming back now.
But it's just
Yes, no plenty.
The market is okay today.
the prices are good?
Yeah, the prices are good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are some of
one thing expensive is the lemon.
the lemons?
Yeah, that's the only thing I buy expensive. But otherwise, the prices are good.
So guys, you have heard from the vendors and you can see for yourself, the produce have really bounced back since Melissa, and there's also a reduction in the cost. So it's a good time to come out and shop. Until next time, bye!